Hello friends, in this video I will tell how to use Kinemaster. Please subscribe, like, share and comment the video. We have to come to Kinemaster and then select the middle one and we have to choose the ratio of the project. We can choose any of these. I am choosing third one. Here the black screen come, and after that we have to go to media and select the pictures of which we have to make the video. So I am choosing some pictures here. After choosing the pictures, we can clip graphics. We can add any graphics. So I am now choosing this. I have chosen this train one. Then next picture, another picture of the video. By this we can record. I have played the video. Here next picture came. We can choose any of clip graphics and another like this also. By doing these we can make, and we can add the voice or background song or twinning types also. By this we have to recording all. After that we can hear the whole this video. See, now I have on the whole video. Now it is going on. In the text we can write any message. These are the clip graphics. Now it is came to an end. After the video is right, when we have to share or export here, so we have to press the export button here, but we have to speak that after it is in processing going on. It is completing in very few seconds. Oh, it is exporting. Add the share button. We can share to YouTube, movie editor or any things. Thanks for watching the video. Next video will be soon. Bye.